Today we have a 2004 Toyota Land Cruiser. We'll be replacing the PCV valve, which is located on the left cylinder head cover. First thing you're gonna do is remove the top cover here. It's held in place by two 10 bolts and two nuts back there. Once you do that, just pull it out the way. And then we're gonna go over here to the left side of the engine. Squeeze this little clip here, pull it up, just kind of turn it to the side, get this little cover off, and then exposes the PCV valve. Now with a number 22 wrench, all we're gonna do is just go here and start to remove it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so with that wrench, I went ahead and broke it. Not gonna lie, it's pretty tough in there. But once you get it broken loose, just twist it out like so. Just let's get it all the way out here. That is some gunky stuff. And we will have our new one. You can hear the little ball moving. I guess this one was still semi-good, but let's go ahead and replace it. Now, before I put this in there, I'm gonna blow all this crud out. And then all we're literally gonna do is just tighten this down, then with our wrench, just make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, so I installed the new one here. Now I have to mention that if you go all the way, this will face inside. So I did the go back one. So now all we're gonna do is put this cover back on here and then place our hose back on. And with that clip, tighten it down and back in. So that is it. And throw our cover back on and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos to come.